Hello, my name is Karina Hernandez. I'm going to talk about the TOEIC. The TOEIC is the test of English for international communication. This test is an English language test designed specifically to measure the everyday English skills of people working in an international environment. This test is designed by ETS, Educational Testing Service, and the Centro Colombo Americano Bogotá is an authorized center for the TOEIC test, and it aims at people with an English from basic A1 to advanced C1 of the Community European framework of reference, also providing a reliable and valid indication of their level of English. Now this is a table, an example, what is the score that you need to reach A1, A2, B1, B2, or C1, or C2 if you want. Now, the TOEIC text text reading comprehension and listening skills. However, if the candidate needs to present all four skills, he or she must cancel an additional value and has approximately 2 hours more. She must pay 230,000 pesos for listening and reading. And if you wish to present also writing and speaking, you must pay additionally 280,000 pesos. Now, the TOEIC reading and listening text is the more popular of the two TOEIC texts, and it is administered in centers on paper. And English reading skill and listening skill are weighted equally on this test, with half of the final score coming from each. Now, in the TOEIC speaking and writing test is taken computer. Again, we spoken English are equally weighting this test. The student's final score is between 0 and 400. Now, each section has a duration. For example, listening 45 minutes, and there are 100 questions. And reading 75 minutes, and there are 100. Now, each section of the TOEIC is scored of 5 to 495 points, and between 10 and 990 points is given. Now, those who take this exam will receive their certificate 6 to 8 days after submitting. But if the candidate pays for additional skills, writing and speaking, the result will be available between 18 and 20 days after the time it's submitted. Now, the TOEIC certificate and the level corresponding to the CEFR has an expiration date. Any language certificate, it ensures that the candidate has a certain level on a specific date with administrative validity that doesn't expire. Now, this is a table that shows what is the date and the registration limit date for this year, 2019. And that's all. Thank you very much.